guys, so we finally made it to the room. 113668. Looks like a corner room, honestly. Get your little band, swipe it through, get your little peephole. Let's see. Did come in already, dropped off the bags. Got the TV. Oh, got some cute merch. Tote bags, towels. Alright, got your mirror in your little closet over there. Ooh, yeah, I don't know about this room. I don't know. You got the water. Of course, that's the fridge. You guys already know. Don't need me to open that up. This is a sea view or a window, whatever you want to call it. All right. Oh, you have a little nook here with your closet. Okay. Here you have the bathroom. You have some hooks, toilet, you know, all the necessaries. All right. Waterfall, regular. All the fixings for you to wash your butt in your hands, toilet paper, everything. Not gonna lie, I know they said that they made this ship a little smaller and tighter, but this is just a weird configuration. Oh, you have your little side table here. Yeah, this is a weird configuration, and I don't know how to feel about it, honestly. But I guess I have a couple of days to figure out how I really feel. Other than that, all right. Brilliant lady, voyages, MerMaiden, we outside. Let's see what's good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do some hula. See what's good. Get a little book here. Itinerary for the next couple of hours. Oh, the pad, cool. Some art. The evacuation plan. It has all the bells and whistles and the fixings. Oh yeah, you could get regular water or you could get sparkling water. That's included in the room as well. So, all right. And I'm gonna need those beach towels because I don't have one. All right, guys, so that's it for this room tour. Let me know how you guys feel about it. All right, y'all, so I wanted to show you guys what the room looks like when it's converted into a sofa. And although it is a corner room, it gives you a little bit more space to work with. Actually, a lot more space to work with as opposed to when it's converted into the bed. So you have here, I'm gonna move this over to the side. At this angle. So this is what you get when it's converted into a sofa. You have the front door, you come in here. Okay, the fridge there. The chair that you sit on to do your makeup for the ladies. You know, but now, you know, let's get the front view. It's nowhere near as tight. So that's a good thing. Converts to two sides. They leave the pillows for you. And then you could actually walk and get to the full-length mirror, which is cool. You could also get to this cabinet here that has the life jackets, the blanket on top. Put a couple of things in there. The safe, if you need to put anything in the safe. Some baskets, some drawers. Ample enough space, I think. And it also has another full-length mirror on the door. Now, they do have two mirrors, so at least that helps, right? You could stash your carry-on here if you just need to have it in the nook so it's just not everywhere. You have the extra lighting above the headboard, or what's called now the couch board, I guess. And then, yeah, the blinds are open. You could watch TV from both spaces, which is pretty cool. You know what I mean? It's just not as confined. So it gives the room a lot more character, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna give my full basically opinion on this room at the end, or maybe in a separate video, just to go into a little bit more depth. But yeah, you can definitely convert it into 2 couches, so that way you have ample space. If you're either by yourself or if you're with another person, it can work. So yeah, hopefully you guys, you know, if you end up getting this corner room 11366A in the daytime when you guys are out going out for your morning breakfast, just request for it to turn to a sofa. And then I think turn down time, the latest I think my ship steward said was 7 or 8. So at least you can have your bed ready before it gets too late at night.